The Advisor Reporting tool. This chapter will walk you through the process of using the North Advisor Reporting tool to run and manipulate detailed reports that are relevant to your business. For our first example, we will be running a report detailing net flows by client. To get started, access the North Advisor Reporting tool via the Tools tab in North Online. You can find the link to the tool in the left-hand side menu. The Advisor Reporting tool will open in a new window. On accessing the tool for the first time, a program called Silverlight will automatically install on your computer. You will need to click Install or Run when the pop-up box appears. Running a report. To run this report, simply select Net Flows, then By Client. A pop-up box will appear with a range of filters which will vary depending on which report you choose to run. The filter values will be set to a default, however you have the opportunity to change them as required. This particular report has filters of product, date parameters, account status, and advisor ID number or name. Alternatively, you can use this search icon to scroll through a menu of options available to you. Once you are happy with the range of filters, click the tick symbol in the bottom right-hand corner to run your selected report. Your report will be displayed in the right-hand side of the browser window. If for any reason the report does not display the data that you need, you always have the ability to redefine the report filters and run the report again. Let's assume that you want to change this report to show only data from an earlier start date. To redefine the filters, simply click the play icon at the top of the screen. This will open up a pop-up box containing the range of filters you can change. In this case, you can change the date range by using the calendar tool, like this. Once you are satisfied with your new set of filters, click the tick symbol to rerun your report. With just a few steps, you have created a new report that more accurately matches your business needs. Once you are satisfied with your report results, you can then choose to export the report. You have the option of exporting the report in Microsoft CSV, Microsoft Excel, or Microsoft Word, as you can see by the icons located at the top right-hand side of the screen. To export your report, simply click your preferred file format and your report will appear in a separate window. You will need to select either Open or Save from the pop-up box that appears. You can then print the exported results from any of these applications through their normal print function. Manipulating your report. Manipulation of data within the North Advisor Reporting tool uses some intuitive functions which would be familiar to regular users of Microsoft Excel. For example, sorting your data can be done quickly and easily by clicking on a column heading like this. Reordering columns is easy too and can be done with a simple click and drag, allowing you to position your information in the order you prefer. You can also resize the columns by dragging this arrow to either the left or the right. Right-clicking on your column headings will provide you with a menu which includes the option to add or remove a column by checking or unchecking it as required. If you want to search through your data or filter it for a certain parameter, you can click on the filter icon which is on each column header. For example, if you wanted to see clients who have net flows which are over the amount of $30,000, simply define this in the pop-up box and click Filter. Your data will then show only this group of clients. You can also group your results in different ways. For example, if you wanted to view net flows grouped by product type, just drag and drop the relevant column header into the indicated top section of the screen. From here, click this arrow to see the detail underneath and perform aggregate functions such as sum, like this. You can also collapse or expand your groupings. And if you ever want to view your results full screen, you can collapse the left-hand side navigation bar by clicking on this arrow symbol. Of course, at any stage of your data manipulation, you can export the data, as previously demonstrated. Saving your report. Once you have made a report that you are happy with, the Advisor Reporting tool allows you to save this exact report as a personal template, making it easy for you and your staff to run time and time again without going through all the modifications. Note that this save function will not save your actual results, only the report template. To save your template, simply click on the Save As icon at the top right-hand corner of the screen and type in the name of your new template. Then click the tick icon. You can type more detail into this description box for easy reference in the future. You could also redefine the report parameters as required. Your template will then be saved under the My Reports section, which can be expanded from the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. This means that next time you log on to the Advisor Reporting tool, you will be able to access and run this report instantaneously, making it easier for you to do business in future. Pivot tables. Pivot tables are a great way to slice your data in different ways, allowing you to view the same information from any relevant angle. They allow you to really drill down into specific details which may be important to your business. In this example, we're using a report of funds under advice by client detail. Start off by running your report as previously demonstrated. Now, let's assume you want to see more detail. For example, let's say you want to find out what funds under advice are in a particular investment option, such as the North Index High Growth Fund. To create a pivot table, click the Pivot Table tab from the top of the screen. Select the fields that you wish to add to the pivot table by ticking the check boxes in the right-hand side menu here. Once you have added the fields, click and drag the appropriate ones to the row label, column label, or values box. This will determine the position of the data in your final table. You can reorder the hierarchy of the data by clicking and dragging the inputs within the box, like this. Once you are happy with your positioning, click the tick symbol to create your pivot table. Your pivot table will appear in the middle section of the screen. To expand this section, you can always click these arrows to minimize the menu areas. You can see here that our funds under advice within the North Index High Growth Fund are equal to approximately $5 million. To drill down into more detail, you can select this arrow. Because of the way you structured your inputs, you can now see the funds under advice not only by investment option, but also by product type. You can even view exactly which clients' portfolios correspond to this data. The results from your pivot table can also be manipulated just like a regular report, as previously demonstrated. If you ever need assistance with using the Advisor Reporting tool, simply contact the North Service Centre on 1-800-NORTH-1 and our friendly team will be happy to help you out. The North Advisor Reporting tool is just another way that North is adding value to your business.